Hi everyone, today we will be talking about the three main tectonic plate faults. Now you may ask, what are tectonic faults? Well, they are the type of way that rocks or crust break apart. To understand what each type of fault is, we need to learn the two main parts of a fault, the hanging wall and the footwall. The footwall is the rock that stays stable on the ground, but the hanging wall is the wall that keeps shifting. We can identify which is which by looking at the angles. The footwall has an angle greater than 90 degrees, while the hanging wall has an angle less than 90 degrees. You can see it in the picture below. Now moving on to the faults, the most common one being the normal fault. In this situation, the hanging wall must shift downward. This type of fault is caused by the tension that pulls apart the rocks. That's why they are most common on divergent boundaries. To find out more information on divergent boundaries, please check out my video titled Tectonic Plate Boundaries. An example of this fault is the Basin Range area. In this area, the Earth's crust thins and stretches apart. This is what causes these normal faults. Another example of a fault is the Sierra Nevada mountain range. It was formed by major faults along the eastern edge. Moving on to reverse faults. This fault is the complete opposite of a normal fault. The hanging wall moves upwards. In this case, compression causes this fault. As you can see in the picture, the compression is causing the hanging wall to uplift. This is one of the common reasons why mountain ranges are created. An example of a reverse fault is the San Gabriel Mountains. It was caused by the compression of the Sierra Madre Fault. It was able to push the rock layers of San Gabriel upwards to create a mountain range. Finally, the last main fault, the strike-slip fault. Unlike the other faults, this one has each of its walls moving in an opposite direction horizontally. The strike-slip fault is caused by a shearing motion. These faults are also common along transform boundaries, when tectonic plates slide past each other. Earthquakes are most likely to cause this type of fault. For example, the San Francisco earthquake of 1906 caused many terrestrials, including the San Andreas Fault, to have a strike-slip fault. Another strike-slip fault is the Anatolian Fault. In this case, the Anatolian plate slides past the Eurasian plate. That was the basics of the three main tectonic faults. Thanks for watching. Until next time, everyone. Bye.